Alright, hey guys, this is my first YouTube account. Yeah, it's basically gonna be like a BMXing account where you guys comment what you want me to do. I can do a variety of different terrains like street, flatland, dirt, park. Yeah, you comment and I'll do it for you, but you guys have to really show me that you're liking it up, clicking that like button, viewing it, sharing it, however you can do it. So I know that you're enjoying the videos and stuff. I uploaded my first video a couple minutes ago, but I don't know why I did that. I just wanted to show you guys something fun, entertaining, me screwing up with my friend. Yeah, but this is my new bike. It's a Verde Cadet. I got it on my birthday. It's the 2012. My bars, the Verde Cadet. Actually, all of this is stock except for this and my tire caps. And I broke my pedals. I was being stupid trying to grind on the bench, pedal grind. I'm gonna get my new chain up there soon. Actually, I have it in my room. I changed out my back tire with a dyno. Yeah. Um, yeah, and I got I already showed you that. I'm supposed to be buying new parts soon. Maybe in a couple of days I'll start buying some of them. But I'm supposed to get this in white, the Duo SUS or SVS, whatever it is, white wall tires, um, stolen Thermalite PC pedals, and a new seat. I don't remember the name. A new seat post. I already told you I'm getting a new chain put on. But it's a shadow conspiracy chain. You have to have the chain breaker for it or quite won't work. I've broken many of them trying to do it. So, I know you can use a hammer and a nail. That's what my friend told me to do, but ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah. And I'm gonna get a dual SUS tire in the back too, white wall. So, just picture. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna get either the Sunday top load stem or the Sunday front load stem in white. I don't know about the top load. I've tried it once and my friends have told me about it. It puts the bars this much higher up and you have to burn everything back over. Yeah, I don't feel like doing that. It took me long enough to do the stuff I can do right now. Yeah, so picture this bike with white grips, white tires, white pedals, white chain, white seat, white back tire. What else was I gonna get white? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, I was gonna try and get white bars or white forks. I think it was white forks. Yeah, I was gonna try to get white forks. That would look awesome. But yeah, it's my bike. This is what I'm gonna be doing stuff on. You gotta comment, guys. You gotta show me your support. You gotta show me that you there. And if I don't see it, I guess there's no point of really making the videos for you guys. Yeah, so make sure you do that. Trust me, you will enjoy it. I fall a lot, and I pull off a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna start grinding in a couple hours. Go over to my friend's house so I can get he has a spare back hub cap for my back rear wheel for my 9-tooth so I won't damage it while grinding. He has some pegs I can throw on here. Front and back, I might just get both sides. They're pro, don't worry, they're pro. Yeah, so one pro, I don't think you can, well you can grind with them, but I guess they're going to be more heavier because of the material used, less expensive. Yeah. Yep. So just make sure you tell me that you're out there and I'll show you all the videos you want. And most of the time, I guess my friend will be riding with me, 2 of them. One will be recording sometime, the other one will just be riding with me. Yeah, so just make sure you tell me, like it up, give me comments, tell your friends. But no, don't tell us. Well, do what you want. What you want is for you. Okay? See you later, guys.